Ay, I got what I like overseas. Bitch, how about like NBA? Bitch, how about like MVP? I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I with the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a phone in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I mean.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Lifestyle. I feel like I look weird. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, today's tutorial is super easy. We're gonna do a curl sponge tutorial. So, Imayo, this is for you. Alright, so what you need is curl sponge, and I'm gonna be using this Focus the Cantu curling cream. Alright, it's like $7 or $8 like everywhere you go. I tried to find it for the cheapest, but I couldn't, so I was just like, whatever, get it. We have that. First I want to show you my hair type, so like people that are like, oh, I don't have your hair type, I can't do it, you probably can still do it. So right now I have my hair semi picked out, combed out, whatever you want to call it, and that's as much as it would do. I don't know what's going on here and why it's all wavy and stuff, but it won't do like that part. Now Imayo, I know your hair, it's exactly like mine when I comb it out. It's pretty much like this. So all you need is that and the curl sponge, the curling cream and the curl sponge, and then you're straight, you know what I'm saying? You can have a better hairstyle. And I know a couple other people in school with short hair and it's always looking nappy and stuff. You get yourself a curl sponge, some curling cream, and you'll be all straight, you know? If you have hair my length and you're like, oh, let me be like everybody else, let me get waves. You're not gonna get waves. What you're gonna do is brush your hair every day and try to wear a wave cap. And then you're gonna keep doing it like this. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna look all wavy instead of like waves that you try to get. And then you're gonna end up having this weird bulky looking hairline where it's like hung over. You don't want that. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I'm gonna show you how to fix your naps and whatever with a curl sponge. I hate curl sponge, by the way. I hate them, they're dumb. I'm gonna show you also how to do it without a curl sponge. Basically a curl tutorial on super short hair. So let's get into that. So first, dang, I don't have any spray thing. Alright, let's be simple. Let's say you get yourself water. So right now we have water, and just want to spray a tiny little bit of that, just so your hair is wet, you know. And it's not coming out. There we go. So you're gonna wet it a little bit, just a very little bit, lightly on top. Pretty sure if your hair is this short, you can see how much, like you can tell that my hair is wet a little bit. Now that you have that, you're gonna take your curling cream. I basically use what's on the top, on the cover of it, because that's as much as I need. So I have a finger full. That's all I need pretty much. Alright. So I'm sure you could rub it in anyway, but I'm just gonna rub it all in. Basically rub it all in, and then you're good. Don't rub it all the way in yet though, because you want to try to use it to form your curls. Now take your curl sponge, and you're gonna find whatever direction your hair works best in. Like, only one direction. You can't go like this way, that way, just one direction. So you're gonna put it in one direction. Once you have done your whole head in that one direction, And then I know I'm not done yet. So here's what you want to do. Now you can tell that my hair is a little bit more curled up and stuff like that. You're gonna just, let's see, what can I do? I say take a little bit more of the curling cream, and then rub it through in the direction that you did the curl sponge. So just like this. Sometimes you can go forward to back to loosen it up a little bit and then restart your little circles. And remember, your hair is not going to be like coils because it's not long enough. Because you can obviously see, like, see this little guy over here? Who's just a curl but not all the way around. It's like that because my hair is not long enough yet. Therefore, you're going to have curls. It's like waves, but they're not laying down. They're like that, and they just can't lay down. It's not like the beach line. It's like a wave still in the air or whatever. For those people that have the hairlines that like stick over a little bit, like, make sure you get that part too. And when you do it, don't do it down, do it like going towards the back, like everything you do going backwards. So as I'm going, I continue going backwards, I don't go forward. And then once you get to that point, grab your brush or whatever, and just like brush your sides down. It depends on what you have. If you have a high top, of course it's gonna be a lot easier. I'm trying to have a faux hog, basically like, I think I want like a majority of this going all the way back, so like from here up to like there, going all the way back. That's what I want. But you probably have a high top or a full afro or whatever. So, you know, do your thing with that. Brush it in. I'd say you're pretty much done at that point. Yes, I did kind of just mess up my circular motions, but with me personally, I don't use a curl sponge at all. I just wake up in the morning, get my curling cream, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Go to school. That's pretty much it.
Boom, 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 boom.
I feel like the curling sponge just made my hair super straight, bro. Another thing you can do while you're in the shower, get your, what's that thing called? Conditioner. And then like do circular motions and stuff with the conditioner. Wash through it. Once you get out of the shower, brush your sides, you're straight. Put on a cap to hold the moisture and all that. You can probably get some coconut oil, put some coconut oil in there. And yeah, it's pretty much what you need. All you ever need with like really short hair, just so you're not spending a lot of money on hair products, some type of oil and some type of curling cream, moisturizer, whatever like that. And then you're pretty much straight. If it's really short, you people with waves, you do you, bro, because waves are complicated. And I could have got waves, but I decided no, because that is way too much work and I'm lazy. That's why I had dreads, and I will be getting them back in a couple of months when my hair starts to grow. When my hair starts to get longer, I want to get like braids and stuff. But yeah, now I'm just talking about nothing. So, I don't know. That's my curl sponge tutorial. I took my hair from the picked out to, you know, some curls or whatever like that. And that's pretty much it. It's simple. All you really need is a curling cream and you're straight. Just know, if your hair is messed up, it's better to have a curly mess up than just messed up. Because then you could be like, oh yeah, all I need is a haircut. Because if I had a haircut right now, this would look a lot better. But I don't. So, yeah, like see, my hairline isn't even crisp. If it was, this would have looked a lot better. But it's not at the moment. And yeah. Why is this doing that? Look at that, that's weird. So yeah. If you like this video, leave a like down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to me. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
For all my enemies. Yeah, nigga, I came from the dirt, sipping up dirt.